Magnolia Table, this is going to be volume 2, and it's a collection of recipes for gathering. So this is going to follow, and it's still on the #1 New York Times bestseller list. But what Joanna Gaines did with this one is she gained a deeper commitment to the value of foods being shared. She went outside of her comfort zone to develop new recipes for her family and yours to gather around. It's filled with over 145 new recipes from her own home that she shares with her husband Chip and their 5 kids. This is also can be found from the Magnolia Table, their restaurant in Waco, Texas. This also offers the coffee shop from Magnolia Press, and it's got breakfast, dinner, breads, soups, and sides. This gives readers abundant reasons to gather together. It's beautifully photographed and filled with dishes you'll want to bring into your own home. This is extremely informative, and I love that it can also be used as a tabletop decor. She gives different seasonings that you can use if you don't have certain ones and different alternatives. Very informative. Really enjoyed this book.